Hi, it's Rob at Dave Sinclair Buick GMC. And man, it's hot out today. It's 95 degrees here in St. Louis. So I'm gonna give you 3 tips to easily cool down your GMC Sierra. I'm going to demonstrate these tips on a 2021 GMC Sierra today, but they will apply to most GM cars, trucks, and SUVs 2019 or newer. In this video, I'm not only gonna show you these 3 tips, but I'm gonna show you how to set them up as well. The first tip is as approaching your vehicle, in addition to remote starting it, also hold down the lock button for 4 seconds, which is going to lower down all 4 windows to let all the hot air out of the vehicle. For the second tip, we have the auto-cooled seats, which when you remote start the vehicle, it will start cooling down the seats for you if the air outside is above 75 degrees. All right, so the third tip is gonna involve once the air conditioner is on and blowing, you're gonna wanna make sure that this button here that brings outside air inside the cabin is off, because we do not want that hot air to come inside the cabin, so we want it to recirculate the air that the air conditioner is producing to cool it down quicker. Here's how you set up the first tip for the 4 windows. So you go in here to your home page, to your settings, and then you're gonna go to Vehicle, and then just scroll down to where it says Remote Lock, Unlock, and Start. Then we'll just scroll down to where it says Remote Window Operation. You're just going to want to make sure that it's clicked on, and it'll work perfectly. Here's how you set up the tip for the automatic cooled seats. All right, next you just go to Settings, and then over to Vehicle. Then we're going to go back to Remote Lock, Unlock, and Start. And then where it says Remote Start Auto Cooled Seats, make sure that is on. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Comment below what your favorite tip was, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information like this.